Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to change background color in Canva. So we have an image here. Okay, this is a format. Okay, let me just choose a different image. We have an image here. Let me choose this image. I want to change the background color of this particular image. Now the first thing to do is to enlarge the image as large as possible to just get an overview of how it should be. Now you can see behind this futuristic burger that there are tall buildings with lights, with pink neon lights, orange or yellow lights, and all of this. So this color palette above here, just beside in between this background remover and this border style, all these colors here control the colors on the image. So let's assume you want to change the color here. That is, you can see, let's assume we want to remove all the pink. Now this pink or peach color should be in control of that, so we can change it to red, and we can see that the color has been changed. You understand? So for this green now, this green substance that is looking like mustard, that is sipping out of the burger, we can change it to, let me make it yellow, and you can see it's yellow already. So this is how to actually change the color of your image and make it much better and more aesthetically pleasing. So that's it guys. I'll thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. And if you've enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and leaving a comment below. Have a great day guys.